Welcome. So what we're going to do is learn how to solve by factoring by using a perfect square. And again, when we're looking into factoring, one important thing is the shortcut is always seeing if we have a perfect square trinomial that we can factor, because the factoring technique is a little bit quicker. We can kind of shortcut it. So our main important thing is looking at our final value c and making sure it's a perfect square. These are just the integer perfect squares up to 15. And I notice that 1 is a perfect square as it's 1 times 1. Then the next thing I need to know, next thing I need to make sure is so if this is 1 times 1, I need to make sure that this is going to be 2 times the square root of my c value. Well, the square root of 1 equals 1. So therefore, 2 times 1, is that 2? Yes, it is. So therefore, I have a perfect square trinomial. And what that means is, again, we can look at this and say, all right, so the same number that multiplies to give me 1, that same numbers add up to give me 2. So I can quickly rewrite this. First of all, we're solving this, so we're going to set our output value equal to 0. So therefore, I can rewrite this now in intercept form as x plus 1 times x plus 1. Now, I kind of shortcutted on why it's going to be plus, because obviously this is a positive 2. Well, positive 1 plus positive 2 has to give you 2. Even though negative 1 times negative 1 still gives us 1, negative 1 plus negative 1 does not give us 2. So therefore, I can rewrite it like this. Now, I can apply the zero product property, or I can just rewrite this as x plus 1 squared, and then apply my inverse operations. And I got 0 equals x plus 1, subtract 1. Therefore, now I have a linear equation where x equals a negative 1, and that is going to be my solution, or my x-intercept of my quadratic. Thanks.